So today we're going to look at the two main equations that you need to know regarding magnification. The first one is really simple, and it looks at the relationship between the eyepiece and the objective lens. Now all you need to consider is that both these two together magnify the image. So generally speaking, in a microscope, an eyepiece would tend to be around a times 10 magnification, where your objective lens can vary. On most standard microscopes you'll have something along the lines of times 4, times 10, and then times 100 magnification. Now if we look at this, the equation is really simple. All you're going to do is take your eyepiece lens and multiply it by the objective lens. So for example, if we're on a times 10 eyepiece and a times 10 objective lens, that's going to give us a magnification of 10 times 10, which gives us an overall magnification of 100. The second equation that you need to be aware of is a little bit more complicated and looks at the relationship between image size, actual size, so what is the image in real life, the object in real life, and magnification. Now the relationship is quite simple, and the image size, which we're going to just call I for now, is equal to the actual size, A, times the magnification. So whatever we magnify the actual size by is going to be our image. So we can also look at that in a rearranged format. So I like to think of it using a triangle. You might not like triangles, but triangles are sometimes helpful. In this instance it is. And it's a nice easy one because it's simply I am a triangle. I am a triangle. Now with your triangle, if it sits on top, you're going to divide it, and they sit next to each other, you're going to multiply it. As you can see in this equation, A times M equals I. Actual size times magnification equals image size. So if I wanted to calculate actual size would equal image size divided by magnification. So I over M. And then my magnification would equal I, which is above the A, so I divided by A, image size divided by actual size. And that will give us our different magnification, our actual size or image size, depending on what we're wanting to look at. You'll generally find this equation in an exam question where you would be asked to measure the image size using a ruler. You'll be given the actual size in the question or the magnification, and you'll be asked to work out the third element. So being able to rearrange this equation is really important. And that's everything you need to know for the magnification equations.